At the University of Minnesota, plant science majors study how plants are used by humans. They explore how crops, soils, and the atmosphere interact to produce the food, fuel, and fiber that humanity depends on.
It's not just about plants in general. It's about pathogens. It's about entomology. It's about soil science. It's about everything that goes into that plant and what makes it grow and thrive.
The University of Minnesota has a wide range of resources, from field plots right on campus to greenhouses, to help students get hands-on experience to learn the plant sciences.
You can't really get a grasp for how to care for a plant if you don't physically touch a plant. And that's what plant science classes do, is they make sure that you know the plant, you know how to identify it, you can connect different plant families to each other.
So there are 7 tracks in this major with a wide range of courses from data-driven agronomy to turf grass management, and a wide range of topics that are covered in between. Students in the major also take an internship course where they get hands-on experience working in industry all across the state of Minnesota.
Plant science has prepared me for my next steps by challenging my critical thinking skills, and I just hope to keep learning because I know I will.
Students getting a degree in plant science go on into careers where they're using research and cutting-edge science to advance biotechnology and agricultural systems to solve some of humanity's greatest problems.
I want to use plant science to make a difference in making crops more sustainable, feeding the world, improve our environment, and that's how we'll make the most impact. And that's how I want to contribute, is with my major in plant science.